This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 12, chapter 11, differentiation. VSAQ means very short answer questions we are taking. F0, F1 is given, F-1 is also given, which is 2, and Y is of course this function, and we have to find dy by dx at x equals to 0. So we'll do the dy by dx and then accordingly we'll put values, and these values which are given will ultimately give us the solution. Okay, we have to put x equals to 0 as the question is directing us. Y is equal to f e raise x and e raise fx. So dy by dx is what? So first we'll do it using the product rule. So f e raise x, here we have e raise fx, and then fx is f dash x plus. So e raise fx will remain like that. So f e raise x will be f dash e raise x, and then e to the power x will be e to the power x. Okay. Now x has to be replaced by 0 as the question is saying. F e raise 0, then e raise f0, f dash 0, then plus e raise f0, and then f dash e0, and then multiplied by e raise 0. So wherever we have e to the power 0 or anything to the power 0 is ultimately 1 only. So f1, then we have this, f1 is already given, f e to the power f0, what is f0? f0 is given as 0 in the question, and then f dash 0, let us put it like that only, f dash 0, because you will see that if f1 is 0, whole of this term is going to be 0, because 0 will be multiplied by these terms. Now e to the power f0, f0 is what? 0. Then multiplied by f dash e to the power 0, e to the power 0 is what? 1. So you can place 1 here, f1, f dash is 1, and again e to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1 only. So let us write 1 here. So what do you get? See, as I told you, f1 is 0. Once it is 0, you don't have to worry about any other thing. It is 0. As you know, multiplied by anything is 0 only. And then we have e to the power 0 is 1. Then we have f dash 1. And f dash 1 is already given in the question, which is 2 and 1. So 2 into 1 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2 only. Dy by dx is ultimately 2. Now if y is x into modulus of x, we have to find dy by dx for x is less than 0. X is less than 0. If you talk about modulus of x, it will be ax when x is greater than 0, negative x if x is less than 0. So what you are going to get here, y is equal to x. So because we have to put minus x in place of modulus of x, it will be negative of x squared. So y is negative x squared, dy by dx will be negative, x squared will be 2x, minus 2x is your final answer here. So this, we have all these things you have to write by yourself. That is how you will actually solve this question. Y is equal to sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. We have to find dy by dx. So sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. And you know this by trigonometry that this is equal to pi by 2. So we have to use it directly. Y is equal to pi by 2. So what is dy by dx? When it is pi by 2, it is going to be 0. Okay. Now x is a plus sine theta. A is theta plus sine theta actually. And y is a 1 plus cos theta. We have to find dy by dx. Okay. So x is equal to a theta plus sine theta. So I will ignore this a because it is going to come anyways. We have theta plus sine theta, you differentiate it, it is going to be 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. What about y? Y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. So a will be a constant. So as I said, A will remain like that, and 1 plus cos theta, 1 is going to be 0, cos theta is minus sin theta. So ultimately minus sin theta into A minus A sin theta we are going to get. This is A 1 plus cos theta. So dy by dx, in order to find out dy by dx, we have to take dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So simply we have to divide these two. So minus A sin theta divided by A 1 plus cos theta. A gets cancelled, theta sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now you can simplify it more, because sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is what? It is going to be 2 cos square theta by 2. Cos theta cancel, 2 cancel, you get minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. So negative tan theta by 2 we are going to get. This is going to be dy by dx. Now x is minus pi by 2 to 0. Y is given like this. We have to find out dy by dx. We know the formula of 1 minus cos 2x and 1 plus cos 2x by trigonometry. We'll directly put it here. Okay. So y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So 2 to cancel, sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. Under root is only tan x will come out. So this is going to be tan inverse tan x. Now tan inverse x you can cancel. Okay, if x is between minus pi by 2 and 0. So in trigonometric equations we have seen that when we have the value which is between minus pi by 2 and 0, it's not going to be x, it is going to be minus x. So dy by dx of minus x is what? Minus 1. This is your answer. Dy by dx is minus 1. Y is x to the power x. You have to find dy by dx at x equals to e. So when you see this, the only thing is log, taking log. So let us take log. Log y is equal to x log x. X will come in front. So differentiation is 1 by y, dy by dx. And y we are going to keep x to the power x only. So x, log x is 1 by x plus log x, differentiation of x is 1. This gets cancelled, you have 1 plus log x. 1 by y dy by dx, y will go here on the right. So it is x raised x, so dy by dx is x raised x into 1 plus log x. So x is equal to e now you have to put. So e to the power e is 1 plus, so this is log e, base is e, so it is going to be 1. So 2 into e to the power e, that is, finally you have to write 2 e raised e. Now I just told you in few steps just to explain you, but because the examination is to be taken up by you, all these things you have to write, taking log on both sides. We have using equation this, log base e is equal to 1, putting x equals to e. All of this you have to write, okay? That's why this is the way you have to do. Y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. We have to find dy by dx. So you can put x as something, as we have seen in the earlier questions also. But we'll not do like that. We are going to apply the normal differentiation. Okay. If you put x as something, there will be one more step. First you have to put something, say x we will put as cos 2 theta. You will get a proper result here, right? But that is also a solution. But here we will use the direct differentiation that we already know. So y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So dy by dx is going to be equal to tan inverse of this is 1 by 1 plus whatever content is there x square. So if it is tan inverse x, differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Same thing we'll do it here. So 1 by 1 plus whatever content is there. 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. So we'll resolve it just now. But let us do the differentiation of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. And that will be done using the quotient rule. So 1 plus x whole square in the denominator, 1 plus x here. differentiation of 1 minus x will be 0 minus 1. So minus 1. Then minus. Now 1 plus x is there. So 1 minus x will come here. Differentiation of 1 plus x. Differentiation of 1 plus x. So this is 0. This is 1. So 1. Now let us multiply this. Now what will be in the numerator? Minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x. And here x gets cancelled. You will get a negative 2 here. Divided by 1 plus x whole square. Now this will do here. I'm first solving the denominator. So 1 plus 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. So square is there. Whole square means numerator, denominator both are square. 1 plus x whole square and plus 1 minus x whole square here divided by 1 plus x whole square. Okay. Now this multiplication and then 1 plus x whole square. Okay. Now let us do this a square plus b square in the numerator. 1 plus x square is in the denominator because I have taken the denominator only and it is 1 by that thing. So 1 plus x whole square will go up. So 1 plus x whole square will go up, 1 plus x whole square. And what will be this one? 1 plus x whole square plus 1 minus x whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright. So 2x gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. And x square plus x square is 2x square. So 2 plus 2x square. You can take 2 common. It will be 2 into 1 plus x square. So 2 into 1 plus x square it will be. As I said, 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x square can be cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. You get minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. That is your final result. Now y is equal to log base a is a and x. So dy by dx. So we will try to find out this in terms of e, log base e. So in normal way, if log a b is there, that is base a is a and b is there, we can have a numerator and denominator with base as e. What I am trying to suggest here is, if you have log a base b, you can write it as log b divided by log a and having the base as e, right? So log x, so log x and log a in the denominator, base is e. Okay. Now we'll do the differentiation here. It is quite easy because log a is in the denominator and it is constant. So only log x differentiation will be the result. 1 by x it will be. Log a is already there in the denominator, so 1 by x log a. This is your dy by dx. Okay. This is dy by dx. So y is given as log under root 10x. We have to write dy by dx. So dy by dx is simple because see, log of anything with the power will come in front. So log 10x under root 10x can be written as 10x to the power half. So root x is actually x to the power half like this. So half will come in front. It will be half log 10x. Now we have to just differentiate log 10x because half is constant. Log 10x is what? 1 by 10x. Log 10x is 1 by 10x and 10x is sec square x. So it is sec square x. So sec square is 1 by cos square and tan x is sin by cos. 1 cos gets cancelled cos and it will be 1 by sin and cos. And 2 is already there. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x. And 1 is in the numerator, so 1 divided by sin 2x. And sin 2x, when it goes up, it will be cosec 2x. So dy by dx will be cosec 2x in this case. Now this question seems to be a bit complicated, but it is not. Why? See, sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta, we just took a question just a moment ago. This, if you assume it to be theta, sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta is what? Because inside you have theta only. Sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta is what? It is pi by 2. So y is equal to pi by 2. Now dy by dx is equal to, this is constant, it is going to be 0. So dy by dx is 0 only. Differentiation is 0. Now sec inverse plus sin inverse. Now if you inverse sec inverse, it is going to be cos inverse, and the inside content will also be changing the place of numerator and denominator. So cos inverse x minus 1 by x plus 1 you can write, plus sin inverse x minus 1 by x plus 1. Now you see inside the angle is same, and it is going to be pi by 2, because sin cos inverse theta plus sin inverse theta is pi by 2. Now when you differentiate it, it is going to be 0. So once you see it, it's exactly similar to what we have done in previous two questions. Sec inverse x is cos inverse 1 by x, and cos inverse x is sec inverse 1 by x. This is the standard result. Also, sin inverse is 1 by cos x square x, and like that. It goes like that. Modulus x is less than 1, and y is 1 plus x square till infinity. We have to find the value of dy by dx. This is 1 plus x square, like this. So we have, if you divide x by 1, it is going to be x. If you divide x square by x, it is going to be x. If you divide x cube by x square, it is going to be x. So the common ratio is x. You have a common ratio as x, and also the geometric progression. It is forming a geometric progression, and the first value is 1. First term is 1. So whenever we have a geometric progression, the summation, or the whole sum of till infinity, is a divided by 1 minus r. A is what? The first term, which is 1. R is what? The common ratio, which is x. So we have 1 by 1 minus x. So this is the thing which we need to be differentiate. So the final sum is 1 by 1 minus x. Now let us differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to, it is 1 minus x. 1 minus x. 1 minus, you can consider this because it is in the denominator. 1 minus x goes up. It is 1 minus x to the power minus 1. So minus 1, 1 minus x to the power minus 1, that is minus 2. And then differentiation of 1 minus x also. It is going to be 0 and minus 1. So minus 1 here. Minus becomes plus. 1 minus x whole to the power minus 2. When it comes in the denominator, it is 1 by 1 minus x whole square. This is your final answer. Okay, this question we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.